With the cooler weather, we're all craving vegan comfort foods like carbs, and more carbs. But sadly, today is the final epi of the vegan pasta series. First, we gave you homemade Thanksgiving tortellini, then vegan bolognese, and today we're going to show you how to make vegan baked puttanesca ziti. It's a simple dish that's going to please everyone in the crowd. So let's show you carb cores how to make this. To make the puttanesca sauce in a large nonstick skillet over medium heat, you're going to add olive oil and shallots. Cook these for 2 to 3 minutes until soft, and then add garlic, Kalamata olives, sun-dried tomatoes, capers and caper brine, vegan Worcestershire, tomato sauce, chili flakes, and sea salt. Stir to combine this, and when the sauce begins to simmer, after about 4 to 6 minutes, you can turn the heat down to low and let it simmer until the pasta is cooked. Be sure to reserve a 1/4 cup of the tomato sauce before adding the pasta in. Cook your pasta according to the package directions until very al dente. Use a slotted spoon to scoop the pasta from the water right into the sauce, and reserve 1 cup of the pasta water in case you need to add this to the sauce to thin it out. Give this a stir to coat the pasta evenly in the sauce. To assemble this, you're going to use a baking dish that's about 10 by 7.5 inches. Add tomato sauce to the bottom of the dish. Then you'll add the pasta in 3 layers. So add the first layer of pasta, then vegan mozzarella shreds, the second layer of pasta, more cheese, and then the remaining pasta. Add fresh basil leaves on top and more mozzarella shreds. You're going to bake this in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden. Oh yes, check out this baked puttanesca ziti. I hope you're going to make all 3 of the pasta dishes from this vegan pasta series, and when you do, make sure to tag Hot for Food and let me know which dish was your favorite. And if you haven't checked out the Hot for Food official merch shop, head on over now because I've got brand new items in the shop like this vegan queen crew neck sweatshirt, this junk food vegan t-shirt, and brand new fancy feed your face aprons. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.